Present before future. Mike and Molly were a newlywed dinosaur couple. They were young, strong, and always planning for their future together. One day, Molly's mama dinosaur came visiting. She told the couple to take good care of their things and house. But Molly said they were moving to a better place soon, so she didn't need to care. The mama dinosaur said, "Take care of your health." Molly said they didn't need to do anything since old age was too far away. The mama dinosaur told them to love and respect each other and enjoy their life. Molly said they had their whole life to do so. They could take it easy. Upset, the mama dinosaur sat Molly and Mike down and made them realize that in their plans for the future, they were not living their present, which is equally important. Two of a kind. Tom and Tim were twin velociraptors. Though they were physically identical, yet they couldn't be more different from each other. While Tom was responsible and caring, Tim was carefree and found responsibilities boring and unnecessary. As monsoons approached, they were to prepare their caves for the downpour before water seeped in and flooded their home. Tom, being the responsible one, did his work timely, repairing the cave and stocking up in case of flood. Tim, on the other hand, spent the time relaxing and lazing around. When monsoons arrived, it brought flood with it. All around there was water and no dry land or scope to hunt for food. While Tom was comfortable and helping others, Tim couldn't even fend for himself. Tim learned his lesson for life. Both work and relaxation need to be in the perfect balance for a happier existence. Smart siblings. Once there were 3 siblings in a young dinosaur family. They lived in a hut on a mountain top. They were all strong kids, learning to be fierce and brave from their parents. One day, the siblings were alone in their nest when danger came knocking at the door. A cruel, ferocious, dangerous-looking dinosaur stood at their doorstep, roaring its loudest roars. The dinosaur readied himself to attack the young ones and eat them up. But they were brave. They stood their ground and were ready to fight for their lives. While 2 of them attacked the dinosaur and miserably failed at even scratching him, the 3rd one used his mental powers over physical power and used a tree branch to poke the dinosaur's eye. The eye was a soft target and sent the ferocious dinosaur crying in pain. Sometimes smartness is more important than strength. Greed and evil. It was the best time of the year to be living in a forest. There were juicy fruits all around. Everywhere you looked, there was a different fruit, more juicier than the last. Protoceratops were herbivores. Fruits, vegetables, and other plant products were all they gorged on. Pip and Pop were protoceratop dinosaurs, and they were overjoyed at the bloom in the forest. All dinosaurs were enjoying the fresh fruits, and Pop and Pip didn't want them to have them all. So instead of eating them, they started collecting as many as they could find. After a few days, they checked on all they had collected in their cave, only to realize that the fruits had gone bad. They had been collecting for days, and fruits started rotting once they are plucked. Pip and Pop were so disappointed and regretful that they forgot to enjoy the fresh fruits in their greed and selfishness.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.